Selling Notion templates. How one creator makes $4,000 a month. What if I told you that you could make $4,000 a month selling something that takes maybe 5 hours to create? Not drop shipping. Not another crypto scam. Just templates. Digital templates that people actually want to buy. I'm talking about Notion templates. And before you scroll away thinking this is too good to be true, stick with me, because there's a creator named Alex who's been doing exactly this for the last 18 months. And I'm breaking down exactly how. Let's start with the elephant in the room. Why would anyone pay for a Notion template when they can make one themselves? Simple. Most people don't know how to build one. Most people look at Notion and see a blank canvas that terrifies them. They want the design already done. They want the systems already built. They want to just plug and play. That's the entire value proposition. Alex figured this out about 2 years ago. She was a project manager burning out at her corporate job. She built a Notion dashboard to organize her own life, her finances, her side hustles, her content calendar. Her friends saw it and asked if they could buy the template. So she sold it for $15. She made $300 on the first day. That's when she realized something. This could actually be a business. Here's how she did it. And here's how you could do it too. Part 1. The setup and product. Alex started by identifying her niche. She didn't try to be everything to everyone. She picked productivity templates specifically for freelancers and solopreneurs. That was her lane. That was her expertise. That was her advantage. She spent about 40 hours over 2 weeks building 5 core templates. A client tracker, a project management system, a finance dashboard for tracking income and expenses, a content calendar, and a goal tracking system. Nothing crazy, nothing overly complicated, just templates that solved real problems for her target audience. Here's the key. She didn't charge $15 anymore. Her pricing strategy is what separates her from everyone else trying this. She launched her first template at $39, the second tier of templates at $49, and her all-access bundle, all 5 templates plus quarterly updates, at $129. The math here is critical. If she sells an average of 31 bundles per month at $129, that's $4,000. That's what she's doing right now. Some months it's higher, some months it's lower, but that's the baseline. Part 2. How she sells them. She doesn't have a massive audience. That's the part everyone gets wrong. She has about 70,000 followers across TikTok and Instagram combined. Not 2 million. Not 500,000. 70,000. She sells through Gumroad, which handles the payment processing, the delivery, and the customer service. Gumroad takes 8% plus payment fees. So out of that $129 bundle, she nets about $118 after fees. Her marketing is almost entirely organic. Short-form content on TikTok showing Notion hacks. Before and after clips of messy dashboards versus her templates. Quick tutorials. Testimonials from buyers showing how the template changed their productivity. No paid ads. No fancy funnels. Just authentic content. She posts 4 to 5 times per week. Consistent. Strategic. Always solving problems or inspiring people who want better organization systems. Part 3. The real numbers. Let's talk money. Her gross revenue last month was $4,000. Her expenses are incredibly low. Gumroad fees took about $300. She invests about $50 per month in Canva Pro for creating promotional graphics. She spent $100 on a simple website built with Card. Her actual take-home was roughly $3,500. That's more than many people make working a full-time job. And it takes her maybe 2 hours per week to maintain it now. To create content, answer emails, and update templates. The beautiful part? It's completely passive. Every template she sells while she sleeps is money in her account. She's not trading time for money. She's not capped at a salary. Part 4. Why this actually works. The Notion market is expanding. Notion has 70 million users now. The template market is hungry. People are searching productivity templates, budget templates, project management Notion constantly. The demand is real. The competition is growing. But it's not oversaturated. Not yet. This works because it requires almost no startup capital. Maybe $200 maximum to get started. No inventory. No shipping. No complicated logistics. Just digital products delivered instantly. Is this realistic for you? Absolutely. Will you make $4,000 in month 1? Probably not. Alex took 3 months to hit that number. But the trajectory is real. The business model is proven. And the opportunity is still wide open. If you want to break down more ways to build passive income streams or you want to see the exact templates Alex is selling, hit that subscribe button right now. We're posting this kind of deep dive breakdown every single week. This could be your next income stream. Let's go.